We just went through all of the data types. There's only one more thing I'd like to let you know. In general programming, when it comes to data types, there are two types of programming languages: statically typed or dynamically typed languages. So we have statically typed languages and dynamically typed languages. What does this mean? Statically typed languages are languages where each variable and expression type is already known at compile time. So once a variable is declared to be of a certain type, it cannot hold values of any other data type. That's the case in C, C++, or Java. For example, in C, if you declare a variable to be a number, you have to say int, which stands for integer. So int number is going to be 5. You cannot do number is going to be like a string of test now. This is an error. If you declare a variable as a number, it must stay a number. On the other hand, we have dynamically typed languages. They can receive different data types over time. JavaScript is dynamically typed. That means that variables in JavaScript can receive different data types over time. We are going to see this in action really soon. A variable in JavaScript can contain any data. A variable can at one moment be a string and at another one be a number, for example. So let's declare a variable called message. So we're going to say let message, and we're going to make it equal to hello world, just like that. Now let's console log that, console log the message, and as you can see, we get hello world. We can also console log the type of the message, and we do get a string. So now what would happen if we said message is going to be equal to 5? So we redeclare the value of a variable to be 5. Now let's do the same thing. I'm going to run another console log down there to see what the message is going to be. And as you can see, first the data type of the message is string. And then if we also ask for a data type here, then it's changed to number. A variable in JavaScript can at one moment be a string and at another one a number. Again, we don't have to just change it from a string to a number. We can change it, for example, to, let's say, Boolean. So we're going to do true. That's also viable. So we can start with a variable which is a string, and then at the end it can be a Boolean. It doesn't really matter. This is a completely valid syntax. So the only thing that you need to remember here is that JavaScript is dynamically typed, which means that at one moment the variable can be a number, for example, and then if it's a let, of course, we can change that variable to be a string or anything else. That's it. Great, that's it for this video.